Well, good morning, afternoon, or indeed evening, everybody, wherever you are, and welcome to another Untech Explains video, making computing simple. And this is indeed a new series, the first of our box series, of which this is actually the first video, which does somewhat call into question whether or not this is, in fact, a series. But then how many beans can one put into an empty box? That isn't to say that this box has beans in it. That probably wouldn't make for a especially interesting video. Anyway, yes, the first of the mystery box series, and perhaps some of you would like to have a little fun, as indeed Hilary and I were earlier, my technical assistant, discussing what may or may not be in the mystery box, by posting some comments below on what you think this might be. Which, thinking about it, would be a relatively impressive feat, given that you have not yet seen the box. So I shall go and get said box, if you'll bear with me for one moment. Balls. And here she is. Said box. Very nice box, one would have to say. In brown, with tape on it. So, with no further ado, we can get some idea of the size of the box. Here is the proportion of the box in relation to a small tripod, and indeed a tube of glue. Okay, so we'll that hasn't been closed properly. We'll God's sake. We'll now go ahead and reveal the contents of said box. So, let's begin by removing some of the packing tape with this specialist tool that I borrowed from my nephew Ryan. Move here. Very nicely packaged item. You can see that there is some booble wrap. Okay, that was less successful, in fact. But, no, there we are. Very exciting. Yes. Okay, that's actually the same piece of. Right, there we are. Now. Oh, shit. Excellent. Okay. Any further clues as to the... In fact, there's a rather big clue. The fact that it actually says in large black letters that we are indeed looking at a Sinclair LQ device.
Yeah, that's great. That's really great. That's great. That's really great. That's really great. That's great.
And there we are. How very exciting, viewers. A Sinclair QL, as it turns out. Presumably the replacement for the LQ. This one has a slight damage to the box, but it has some rather nice period stickers. One here saying 1 year guarantee. I should imagine that's relatively expired by now. Nothing else really of note on the box. Both sides are the same, presumably because it contains the same product in the box. But yes, the Sinclair QL, a device with an extremely interesting history, probably, and one that we'll look into in a future video. So look out for the next section of the mystery unboxing video, where we will not be unboxing anything of mystery, but we'll be talking about the Sinclair QL. How do you turn this off?